Hello everyone, today I'm going to start a new series of videos. I know most of you guys are in summer and have nothing to do, so I think it's a good time to learn about programming. In this series, I'm going to introduce a very easy to learn programming language, Python. I think most of you guys maybe heard it before, and as always, because I'm just a part-time programmer, so if I made any mistake in my video, please point them out in the comments. And if you like this type of videos, please click the like and subscribe my channel. I will make more videos about Python in this series. So first, let's talk about how you install Python on your laptop or your desktop. So for Windows user, you can just download a Windows version of Python or install it on a WSL, aka Windows Subsystem for Linux. It allows you to run Linux program in Python. I like Linux, but I also need to use Windows. So I use WSL for my programming, and I installed my Python in the WSL. But if you like Windows, you can just install it on Windows. So there are two ways to install that on Windows. First is you go to the Microsoft Store and just search Python. One click. Python P. Then you can choose the version 3.7 or 3.8. I don't know what's the big difference between them, but I think both of them work. But remember, don't download Python 2, it's already out of date. And you can also download it from python.org. So go to python.org and just click the download. You can download which version you want. And remember, when you install it on Windows, make sure there's a checkbox say add Python to path. Remember to check that checkbox, and also check install pip. Pip is a Python package manager. So if you install the pip, it will be easier for later draw. And add it to path make it easy to start by command. So if you just go to CMD, and you can just type Python to start it. But I didn't install that in Windows. And for Mac user, I never used Mac before. I think you also can download it from here. And for Linux user, you can just go to Linux and sudo apt install Python 3. And also if you want to install Python 3 pip, and then click enter. I think if you are using Linux, I think you know how to do this. And well, yes, this is the WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux. So you can install them here. This is how you install Python on your computer. And now I'm going to show you some easy Python command. Python is a script language, so it is kind of slow. So I will not use Python to program a huge system. But it's easy to learn, and after you learn Python, you want to move on to other language, it's very easy. And here I'm going to show you some easy Python command. Why I say command is because, as I just said before, Python is a script language, so you can just type something and let it run. You don't need like C++ writing in a file, then convert it to the binary file and run it. So here I can print hello world. Oh, sorry, spelled wrong. print. Yeah, hello world. Hello world is every first program you do for a new language or some new things. I just ate this part because I think just a hello world is not enough for a first Python language video. So if you're here, why you don't just click the like of this video and subscribe my channel? Okay, here I'm going to use IPython. Why? Because IPython is, I think, it's more friendly. How you install IPython? I think you just go to IPython the website, download it, and on Linux, you just use the command to install it. Okay, here, but you don't install it, that's fine. You just use the normal Python. Here, I just show some basic loop. I will talk about loop in my later videos, but here I'll just show you how it works. Why I like Python, or why I say Python is an easy to learn language? Because Python is kind of like based on the natural language we talk every day. Like here, for I in range, it's like for each I in the range of 0 to 50. Yeah, like if you don't write 0, it's like from 0. And here I just print the I. In programming, most of the programming, the print, it just means show on screen. I don't really know why it is like this, but I think it's on the old computers, they don't have screen, they just print out them on a piece of paper. Okay, here you see, yeah, why is 50 but it's only 49. That is how the range function works, and I think that's how many other function works. It doesn't include the number. Yeah, and this is 50 number. Okay, if I say something wrong, please let me know in the comment. From 0 to 49 is 50 numbers. Okay, I think that's enough for today's video. So if you like this kind of video, please subscribe my channel, and thank you.